Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the Seagull Godin Dulcimer M4. In this video we are tuned G, the string nearest your chin, D, the middle string, and G on the two octave strings below. So that's G, D, G. So let's get started. In this video we will be covering the George Formby fan stroke. It looks like this. We are using a G chord up here. So to do this you will need the thumb, the first finger and the little finger. You go down with the little finger, down with the thumb and up with the first. Down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first. If you notice, when I strum down, I extend my little finger through so my thumb remains on top to go down. Again, that's down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first. That's down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first. There is one more bit to this strum and I'll teach it you now. It's just a simple down up with the first finger. I use my first finger, some people use the second or middle, whichever one you wish. So the whole strum sounds like this: down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first finger. You repeat that again: down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first finger, then down up. So that's down with the little finger, down with the thumb, up with the first finger, repeat, then down up. So all together. There are 8 movements to this per bar, or if you're counting it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It would be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. At speed. So now we'll try 4 bars of G. We're just doing a G chord up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll try that again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may notice that when I'm doing it, I'm flicking my other fingers out to give it a bit of a flourish. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. For more information on Blackpool Music School, see the description below. Until next time, take care, keep playing, and goodbye.